Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this super simple one-step angel jewelry tray. I started by taking a ceramic angel and a glass candle tray that I purchased at the Dollar Tree for $1 each. I cleaned them, making sure that there was no dust or dirt. I then took my glue gun and warmed it up, and I applied a generous amount of hot glue underneath my angel. I then placed my angel on the center of the glass tray. I pressed down, making sure that the angel was flat to the tray. I gave it a few seconds to dry, and that was it. And this is here what it looks like. And you can tell that the angel is secured onto the tray. And I am now ready to place my jewelry onto the angel jewelry tray. I absolutely love this angel jewelry tray. It is so cute, it is so simple, and I can place my everyday jewelry on it. And I love that the wings are big enough to place my dangle earrings and my bracelets on there. I can even place my rings if I wanted to. And I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Please stay tuned. My next video, I plan on showing you how I created makeup holders. Well, actually, crackled mirrored holders. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.